Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the emboss token. If you have your attention in the digital world, you will agree with me that the world is moving its direction to the virtual reality world, the gaming world, the metaverse, the NFTs, the Web.3, and a whole lot of virtual reality related projects. And this token has all it takes to be in that category, and also it has a very active thing that is bent towards bringing out new things that will align this particular token to the virtual reality happenings and developments. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the emboss token and also their NFTs and also their gaming. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of their play to earn. So make sure to stay to the end of this video if you want to learn about how you can play and earn from the emboss gaming project. So let's jump into what we have today. But before then, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcomed. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in learning more about cryptocurrency and also how to make money online, how to make money doing some crypto jobs for companies and business owners and developers, right? Yeah, so these are the things I teach on my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in any of them, do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video if you are getting value from it. So let's jump in right into what we have today. The emboss game, the emboss token is a platform that combines yield farming and farming NFTs to create a free to play and play to earn ecosystem for me and you, for its community to utilize. So what it means is that with the emboss token, you have the opportunity to play games on their platform and make money, and also you also have the opportunity to mint and sell NFTs in their NFT marketplace. So let's take a look at what CoinMarketCap has to say about the emboss token. So you can see the price of emboss token today is $2.62, and it's in 9.43% increase today. Well, that's amazing because I know we are in a very horrible market period, like sincerely. It's getting to everybody, including me. I'm not going to lie to you. So you can see they said the emboss protocol combines the best of yield farming DeFi with gaming NFTs, creating a truly free play to earn, and also utilizing the Binance Smart Chain. You can see this token is amazing. They are, I think the all-time low of this project is 7 months ago, $0.48, and the all-time high is $15, which is in December 1st, 2021, which is 2 months ago. Is it up to 2 months? And you can see it's listed on Binance, it's listed on Gates.io. You can scroll down on CoinMarketCap to read more news about it. You can play with the chart here to see how this token has been doing in the past three 3 months, the past 1 year. So you can play around here, but then you can see that this token already have 2.6 billion fully diluted market cap, and it has a $44 million 24 hours trading volume across all the platforms where it's listed. You can see this is a very the crypto market is red right now, so we should expect this red chart on the chart here, right? Yeah, so you can take a look at the trading view. That is if you want to make use of the chart tools, right? Yeah, so that is it. Now let's head over to their social media handle to see what they are doing there. Yeah, you can see the emboss token has over 264k followers on Twitter. And you know, Twitter is a platform where most crypto projects have their most active followers. You can see they are very active on their platform. The last time they posted was 3 hours ago is here. Join in Chess Arena Emboss Edition Season 1. You can see they keep bringing out new games. They keep bringing out new updates. That is why I said that this Emboss game have a very active team of developers and marketers, because they're doing a very wonderful work on their projects. Then you can take a look at their platform, their website. You can see this is their NFT, their gaming platform. You can scroll down to see what they have here. If you are watching my YouTube video before now, I've talked about this gaming projects in one of my videos where I recommended some games that you can play and make money from. You can read their news, make more research about them. Like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. I just tell you about projects that I feel you should look into, and also if it's play to earn, if it's a project that you can invest in to make some money from. That is all I do on this channel. I create awareness. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't tell you to buy any project. So that is it. So let's play around this platform. You can see they have different games, which is they just announced this one today. The first time I came here yesterday, I think it's only these two I have here, but then you can see they made an announcement about this new game today, and it's even in their pinned post. You can see is here. Join in Chess Arena Emboss Edition Season 1, and you can see it here on their gaming section. 1, 2, 3. They have three games on their platform, and you can see their NFT marketplace. This is their NFT marketplace. You can register on their platform, or you can download their app. You can see the price of the coin is even higher here. You can see the NFTs they have for sale, and these people have low price NFTs. Like, okay, these $24,000. The time I came here before, I saw, okay, this is it. We have 69.9 BUSD, which is $69 NFT. You can buy this NFT and release it for sale at a higher rate. You can see some of these NFTs are selling for 24,260 BUSD, and lots more and lots more. This project has an active developers. They are doing awesomely well. And like I said before, I'm going to also show you how you can utilize this platform, but then make your research. You can see Momo Farmer. They have a lot of developments for you here. You need to explore. You need to have misery buses. They have their marketplaces, but you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. Yeah, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. And you can see here they are saying that the Emboss wallet is recommended. And this token already have their own wallets. They already have their own wallet. So let's head over to what I said I was going to show you guys if you should stay towards the end of this video. But before then, if you are not yet subscribed, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you got value from the enlightenments that I did for you today, do well to hit the like button so that more people will get to see this video. So to get started on the Emboss gaming platform, all you need to do is to come to their website, click on these docs, and you will see a detailed explanation about their platform. You can watch the videos, see the introduction videos. You can scroll down, learn more about. You can click on the user guide. They have all that you need to get started with their platform. They provided the informations for you before starting. You can play around this place to get more information about what this Emboss free to play and play to earn token is all about, and also learn how to play it, and also learn how to play it. You can see they have detailed explanation for you. They have detailed explanation for you. Click on play to earn. They have a video for you on teaching you how you can play this game and earn money from it. And you can say it's free to play, and you also earn money from playing it. You also earn money from playing it. So don't dull on this game. Make more research about it. do as I've shown you here. Come here, play around these options you are seeing here before getting started, advanced. Just play around with the information they have for you today. And also you can as well go to YouTube to make more research about the Emboss game, and you will see a lot of people teaching you how you can play and make money from these games. Thank you very much for watching. Do well to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and also I'll be bringing you more news relating to free to play gaming projects that you can easily make money from. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.